quick guide to making money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn money online by promoting products and earning commissions on sales through your referral links. Here's a concise overview of how to get started. Niche blog/website. Choose a specific topic, create valuable content, and incorporate affiliate links to monetize your site. YouTube channel. Make engaging videos reviewing products and include affiliate links in descriptions. Social media. Share recommendations on platforms like Instagram and TikTok using affiliate links in posts or bios. Email newsletter. Build an email list and send regular newsletters featuring product recommendations with affiliate links. Coupon codes. Partner with brands to offer exclusive discount codes on your blog or social media. Online courses/ebooks. Create educational content that incorporates affiliate links to relevant products. Paid advertising. Use Google or Facebook ads to promote affiliate products to targeted audiences. Comparison sites. Build a site that compares products, providing reviews and affiliate links. Resource page. Curate a list of recommended products and promote it for clicks and sales. High-paying programs. Focus on higher ticket items for better commissions.